right, welcome back everybody. Andre from Traditional Timber. Today we're going to be milling up white oak. It's a chilly day here in Ohio, but we're going to throw this guy on the big mill and then cut it apart a little bit and then throw it onto our smaller mill to mill dimensional lumber. Then we can mill a little bit faster on the smaller mill. So we're going to get this on the forklift, get it in the shop, and let's get it cutting. Before we turn this log in the cants, we decided to take like a 3 1/4 inch slab off the top, and we're going to do the same on the bottom side. That'll give us some nice pieces to work with down the road. So we're going to slide this off of here and get that cant cut. Probably flip it and get the bottom one cut.
All right, so we finished up with the white oak log today. We got 615 board foot out of it. We got 406 1/4 dimensional lumber that's laying right here, and we got 215 in the slabs that we cut out of it, out sitting in the yard already. But this is going to go outside, air dry for a while. Then we're going to bring it back in, throw it out iDry, finish it off in there. And if you guys like our videos, like and subscribe to our channel. Coming out real soon here, we got our new merch, the sweatshirts and hats you guys saw us wearing today. If you like those, go to our website. The link will be in the description. Help support us that way. And then we'll see you guys on the next tree.